Hello my friends and welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're showing you guys this customizable chain and you can get a customized letter. So for this example video, the letter is K. Let's go ahead and pull this off. I'll show you guys how it looks up close, but you can get it customized on the Amazon listing. So it is a beautiful gold color. Let's show you what it looks like up close. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. So reflective that it's just all the light shines from it. So if we go somewhere like away from the light, now you can see it's not as reflective and it looks a little better. There you go. So in light, the light basically just bounces off this. So when you're wearing it, it looks really nice. So there's the back standard clip for putting it on. So I do want to point out that this is going to make your girl or guy, hey, depends, very happy. Now you could actually loop this around and make it a bracelet if you wanted to. So you guys could use this as an anklet or bracelet. It's fully adjustable. If we can show you the size. So again, the light is so reflective on the table. It is amazing how it reflects. But you have this whole length here that you can adjust it. So you can make it, the further up you go is going to be, I believe, the loose you're going to go. But yeah, it's very nice and you can customize the letter.